Hello everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Hungary? The average annual gross salary is $10,600. That is roughly $883 per month. After tax, the average annual net salary is $7,049, or about $587 each month. In Budapest, the gross salary is higher at $11,872 per year, or roughly $989 per month. The net salary there is $7,895 yearly, or about $658 monthly. Experience, qualifications, and the workplace can change pay. Office, hotel, and industrial cleaners may also earn different amounts. Night shifts and weekend work can bring higher pay. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.